Hey everyone, welcome to Soap Trend. We hope that everybody is doing well. We have some interesting news to share with you all in today's video. In this episode, we are going to talk about one of the characters from our favorite TV series Heartland. Who is Clint Riley from Heartland and the actor who plays him? Do watch this video till the end to know everything about Clint in our latest edition. Clint Riley is Ty Borden's probation officer and a social worker who is often seen checking in on his progress. After seeing the great work that Jack has done with problematic children, Clint often brings more children for him to look after. In Season 1, Clint arrives at Heartland to inform Jack about how now Marion has died and someone needs to sponsor Ty. He leaves him to think about it and Jack signs the papers. Later, Clint arrives for a routine visit for Ty. He's not too happy when he arrives and Ty isn't there. Jack shows him around to distract him and stretch out his time there until Ty returns. Amy and Mallory mess up with his car so that he can't leave, but he fixes it very quickly. As he's about to leave, Ty finally arrives. As Clint arrives for a visit with Ty, he congratulates him for passing his probation and wishes him good luck for staying out of trouble. In Season 2, Clint arrives at Heartland with some kids to stay for the weekend. He tells Lou about the schedule he has prepared. When Amy and Ty go to the Dude Ranch to pick up the kids, they find a chair on fire. They put it out and can't see the kids anywhere until they steal Ty's truck. Amy calls Jack and he and Clint stop them. Clint and Lou tell Tara and Badger about the fire and stealing Ty's truck. Tara tries to tell Lou that they couldn't stay inside because of the vermin. She produces a snake to scare Lou and Clint, but Lou tells them that she grew up there, but Clint is scared. When Clint starts wheezing, he checks with Lou that there are no nuts in the food. She tells him that she doesn't use any in case of allergic reactions. Clint explains that he is currently suffering an allergic reaction, so Lou rushes him to get him to hospital. Ty arrives and Clint asks for his help with the kids as his poster boy. Jack and Ty tell Clint that Badger went out for a smoke and got lost taking a spill on his way back. He's happy that his weekend was a success and vows to bring more kids in Heartland Ranch out in the future. In Season 3, after learning Badger has run away, Clint again arrives at Heartland to ask Ty if he knows where Badger is. Mallory tells them that he was there but talked about hiking to the bus station. Clint and Ty rush off to try and find him. Ty teaches Badger and tells him the best way to apologize to Clint, knowing that he likes eye contact and makes sure to look him in the eye. Badger sits opposite to Clint and looks him in the eye and apologizes to him. He tells him he's truly sorry and he wants the chance to improve. Clint is impressed with Badger's apology and how maturely he handled it, so Clint gives him minimal punishment. At the end of Season 12, Clint brings Luke Cassani to Heartland with the hope that being there will help to improve Luke's bad behavior, just like Ty improved his after he was brought to Heartland in Season 1. Luke is a troubled youngster who is living at the Heartland Ranch by the end of Season 12 of Heartland. Luke has many of the same traits that Ty Borden used to have when he first arrived at the Heartland Ranch. Luke is actually a kind-hearted kid who's going through some challenges at his home. Clint brings Luke to Heartland to be temporarily fostered by Ty and Amy. So this much for today's video. We hope you liked it. We will deliver more news of Heartland as it comes in. We will have all the burning Heartland spoilers, updates and news you're looking for. So visit us regularly. Thank you for checking this video out. We will see each other very soon with another video. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. If you have anything to say, do let us know in the comment section below. We'll make sure to reply to your comments.